Hello everyone and welcome back to our CSS course. As हामी सिक्नेछौँ CSS borders. Yes, borders makes your website looks like real cards, box and buttons. So let's get started. So first of all, let me share my screen. Okay, ल borders. आज हामीले के बोर्डर्समा टपिक कभर गर्न लाग्छ र बोर्डर स्टाइल, बोर्डर विथ, बोर्डर कलर अनि बोर्डर रेडियस. ओके, सबैभन्दा पहिला वाट इज अ बोर्डर? बोर्डर भनेको के हो? अ बोर्डर इज लाइक अ फ्रेम अराउन्ड योर एचटिएमएल एलिमेन्ट. अब हजुरहरूले हेर्नुहुन्छ के कुराहरू वेबसाइटहरूमा बोर्डर हाले भने चाहिँ कस्तो चिटिक्क देख्छ नि, फोटोहरूको फ्रेमहरू या केही कुराको फर्म्सहरूको बोर्डरहरू हो, तिनीहरू बोर्डर भन्छ. अब बोर्डर इज लाइक अ फ्रेम अराउन्ड योर एचटिएमएल एलिमेन्ट जस्ट लाइक अ फोटो फ्रेम. CSS borders can be thick, moto, thin, colorful, round, square, and we are going to learn all of them. है त? So how we are gonna use it? So सबभन्दा पहिला border style अरे. First we choose what the style the border looks like. हामीलाई कस्तो स्टाइलमा चाहियो त border? Either it should be dotted or solid or like we have lots of various styles in borders also, like solid, dotted, dashed, doubled, groove, ridge. We are going to talk all about that. So border style. Okay, how we are going to use it? We are going to use in here. You can see in example P. We have a paragraph tag here. So inside paragraph tag, we have given border style equals to dotted. So let's go. Uh, Open our Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we have heading one. Okay, we instead of heading one, we are going to provide a paragraph. YCA YCA is a educational is a educational. Okay, and we are not going to put this directly. We are going to put lorem 30. Okay, we already know what is that means. So then we'll head back to our style.css file. So let's remove this. Only we need paragraph tag. We are going to show only border style now right now. Border style. Which one? We need dash, drooped. Which one you wants to do? So I want to do as a double. So I'll put a double. So right index we will go into the index.html. We'll right click, open with live server. Look. So if you will zoom it out, you will see. Look, we have a double border lines. Okay, हामीसँग दुईटा double border lines छ. So हामी एकचोटि हेर्ने border style double. If you want to change this into something others, then okay, dotted. Okay, so we will see in our web page. Okay, look, we have made dotted also as a border. If you want to change into anything or solid, okay, if I want to change it into solid also, solid, and so we'll right click on it, open with live server. Look, we have a solid border, right? In this way we can use borders. Okay, we have got border style. Now another is border width. कतिको मोटो र पातलो चाहिन्छ. This makes the border thick or thin. So border style solid, so border with 5 pixels. Okay, so px, always you already know that px stands for pixels. So bigger the number, thicker the border. Okay, जति ठुलो नम्बर त्यति नै मोटो बोर्डर. सो हामी यही हुन्छ. अनि स्टाइल डट सिएसमा बोर्डर स्टाइल भयो. अनि बोर्डर विथ. So we are going to put border width is equals to how much we need. So I need 50 pixels border. Okay, so 50 pixels I have given. So let's go to our their document. Oh looks, oh 50 pixel is too much. We are going to put only 10 pixels. Okay, so let's see. Okay, look, our border got thick, right? So if I want to minimize this number, we can. So from 10 we can put 5 as well. Let me check it. Okay, 5 pixels. Okay, so 5 pixels. See, we have a 5 pixel, very beautiful, right? So in this way we can use border width also. Now border color, how we can use border color? So now let's add color to the border. Okay, border color is what we are going to add a color to our border. So how can we use? Just simply border color red. So let's see, everything will be remaining same. So border colors, your border color is going to be okay, red. Okay, let me see, let me go inside this document. Okay, look, Our border color is which color we have in red color, right? So in this way we can put border color as well, like, so you will love purple, green, or gold as well. So it's kind of beautiful, right? So border radius. Now look, here only we have, look, the border radius is so rounded, like curved, right? We have a curve like this also. We can put it. How we can put it? This means, wait, uh, we want to choose one image, so we are going to put one image. So here, okay, h1 instead of h1, we are going to put img image source alternate. So image source image inside average.jpg, alternate we will put average. Okay, so we will target which one? We will target the image tag. So image, inside image, where we need to put, inside div we will put. Okay, otherwise, okay, let me see the image post. This is how we came, right? Image is quite sharp, right? The edges are quite sharp. So how we are gonna use it? That means, so img border radius. Okay, we are going to use through a border radius. So let's go, just here simply in another img, inside img border radius. Okay, border radius how much? That means 50. 50 what? Either it is pixels or what? Okay, it is pixels only. Okay, we are going to use it through pixels. So we can off, okay, 50 percentage also you can give it, or you can also give it to like 15 pixels. So I'm going to add only 15 pixels. So I'm going to use pixels. So let's go. Look, look this cornering. Isn't it curved? 15 pixel, little bit curved. Okay. So if I want to make a full curve, then I can increase the number to almost like 50 pixels I can increase to. Now if you want to go there, look this. How beautiful it is, isn't it? Look, how beautiful, right? In this way, you can put a border radius also. Now shorthand border. So how we are gonna use this shorthand border is, we can write border in one line instead of writing three lines. Okay, so like in this example only, you see border we have style, width, color, right? So in this shorthand border we can just put this all the things into one line. How we can do it, sir? That means, let's see, we will try, we'll go into this code, we will just remove this all thing, and we will just use this border. We will use uh, we'll do 3 pixels dash purple. Okay, so we did 3 pixels. So dash is our code, that like border thickness. And now what is that? Color. Okay, so we are going to put color as well. So purple will be good. Okay, now let me go through into this. Let me see this. Okay, now you can see I have targeted paragraph. So paragraph, you can see, look, paragraph, let me zoom more. Okay, so you can see beautifully, right? Now see, dashed is like something like this, or small gap between this. So we can use it. I've given the color as a pixel. So this is what I mean to say shorthand border. Okay, so in this way we have learned what is border and how we can use it in our website. So in another video we are going to talk about margin. So thank you so much everyone. So see you next video.